Oyo ne James Bai murugamiriri wa kamiti ya ithurano miaka IEBC gicigo-ini kia umbunge gia Kitui West akianira muhotani wa githurano kinini kia umbunge wa gicigo kiu.
Mine is to give a certificate of elected member of National Assembly
Edith Vethi Nyenze uria na mutumia uria wari mumbunge wa gicigo kiu Francis Nyenze arayukirie hotani ucio na gicunje kia 72.7 hari 100 ya kura ciothe iria ikirio na thegi ya gukorwo muingi wa mwena ucio nduneyumiria uria kwagiriire. Edith uria wari mwarimu munene wa thukuru wa iretu wa Kiondoni nianacokeirie ngatho muingi wa Kitui West na areranira kumatungata atari na muthutukanio.
The people of Kitui West, I promise that I will work with I work with sincerity and honesty. As I was campaigning, I promised what I would do, and thank you for believing in me. I really thank you. I bless you. We work together.
Giti giki giatigirwo theri thutha wa gikuo kia Francis Nyenze muthiaini wa mwaka muhituku. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njĩtagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.